Well, g'day and welcome to JoeJoeMoto. Out here doing some single tracks with Mr. Kev. I think we said we're going to get ourselves into some trouble, which I hope it does not happen, but anyway, we will see. Stick around and I'm sure we'll have a lot of fun together. Alright, let's go. I think I know this track. I think we've done this track a number of times, but a long time ago, like a fair while ago. Yeah, I feel like we go down heaps, then we go up some rocky craziness. Cool. Behind me. Mr. Kev's not mucking around. I think this one, there's a fair bit of weird off-cambery stuff through all of this. I do know this track. Mr. Kev used to take us on it, like when it was first made, which is really cool to see it being so well used. Should have done that standing. Whoopsies. I had one foot on the peg, which was nice, but it wasn't like super smooth. Was I was not stopping after that little bit, getting caught up. I did not want to stop again. Oof, a solid bump, wasn't it? Guys are enjoying this sort of somewhat raw sort of series here of the single tracks. I wanted to sort of really show off, oh my gosh, every aspect as we ride through this crazy stuff, you know. Oh, look at that. So yeah, hopefully the videos aren't too crazy long and you guys are really enjoying them, because they are fun to make. Oh my gosh. Oh. Bit off balance there. Oh, that's neutral, dang it. Oh, it's neutral. Straight or left?
Whatever way you want.
Oh my lord.
I'm going up to the right.
You're going there?
Yeah.
Is that worse? Left is the easy way.
Yeah, just a little one.
I don't know if I trust you. Should I go left or straight?
You'll join the track.
Alright, I'll go left then. Oh, I see. Okay. Just smooth with it. Just so smooth. Dang beaters. Oh yeah, there's a lot of rock and nastiness through here too. Whew. It's just endless tracks, eh? From what I can see, you know, that bike has just filled Mr. Kev with confidence. He's just so much more aggressive and confident, and yeah, he's really, really loving the bike. Tracks are so hard. They're so much like slipperier, and the rocks are all slipping out, the ones under the ground, you know. Holy, it's rocky. Whew. Yeah. This is a lot like hard work. But you run a bike over this 20 or 30 times and get a little crew going through a few times, and it'll just be a nice, easy cut track sort of thing, you know. Makes a massive difference. Like all that last section that we just did, that was like this. Started out as a nothing, slowly bikes around. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed these amazing single tracks today. Do the subscribe, the notifications, all the other social media thingies, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
point.